Hello again, Susan Klein here to help you with a new aspect, an updated aspect of program review. And we hope that you find this newer, updated version of the resource plan to be more streamlined and hopefully simpler to use. So I'm just going to go through how we can use this really quickly. So unit, if I'm filling it out for my division, that would be business education. And so I would type that in here. So whatever unit you might be filling it out for. And then we have the cluster as a drop-down menu, and those can be updated. And so mine would be health, workforce, and kinesiology. And you can see that the rest of them are listed here. And then year of the request, so this would probably be for 2022. And then I filled out a few here, just as an example of what we might see. And so when you're in here, as you go through here, you can ignore the rank for the first bit. I'm going to show you how this sheet can really hopefully make things a little bit easier. So program, just the prefix is all that's necessary. The item description, I've just put in a few made up requests here and estimated some costs. So item category, essentially we've eliminated the tabs to now be a drop-down menu. So where you used to find personnel, supplies, equipment, facility, or technology, on different tabs, they're now a drop-down menu. So as I see this LexisNexis subscription, that would probably be technology, seeds, supplies, iPad, technology, software, technology, student worker, personnel, QuickBooks updates, technology, student worker, personnel, tractor engine, that would be equipment, right? And similar. Update computer lab, again, that's going to be technology. So what we used to find on those tabs are now a drop-down menu. Then we move over to instructional, right? And this just lets me know, is this instructional or non-instructional? So for us, that would be instructional for LexisNexis, instructional for seeds, non-instructional for the iPad, that's additional outside. Software for game theory, probably instructional. Student worker on marketing campaigns, non-instructional, and so forth, right? The tractor would be instructional, etc. And as we have that, right, I'm going to show you just a moment how you can filter all this stuff. It's built in now, okay? And then we also have frequency. So you just one time or ongoing, right? So are these things that I'm going to do once, or are they going to be recurring? And again, just a drop-down menu. And if they're all ongoing, I can still just drop that in like that. And then go back to both options. The time frame, here we are, we've just defined it for you. Immediate, next year or sooner. Intermediate, 2 to 4 years. Long-term, 5+ years. This is our long-term planning. And then location, if you need, location in a specific room, then we might say, slow 2608 or slow and then your office, things of that nature, and wherever we could put that. And then justification, where did you ask for this in the APPW? What is this going to help you achieve? And so if you've noticed over here, we've also linked the ACC-JC standards. We've linked our strategic plan initiatives, which is where we can find our institutional goals and objectives. We have our institutional set standards of achievements, and we also have our institutional learning outcomes. So those might be helpful to look at when you're looking for the justification. So here's where it really gets fun. 2 things. I know, I say fun, I love Excel. 2 things. We've built it with 20. What if you have a really large program that needs 20? Well, you can do this where you go across, make sure you get all of them, and notice that you still see this up here. Because it's built as a table, it will keep that. And then we can just drag that down. It's going to ask you to that this will insert rows into your worksheet. Just go ahead and click OK. And then here's the nice part. It's going to go ahead and keep those numbers and add some additional numbers. Now, here's where things can also get fun. Let's say that as I was thinking about this, people were just throwing things out and they were just telling me what they needed, right? Well, 1, this may not be the appropriate rank. So maybe we end up saying paralegal, that's 7. Here's my 6. There's 5, 4, and I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. And then, yeah, we're going to leave ag mechanics at 8. Well, here's where this hopefully helps you is that we can now sort this immediately and all the information is kept with it. Okay, and then also, right, all that information is there. We can also come here if we just want to see our technology to the item category and just unclick the select all, choose technology, and now we can see our technology requests and their rankings. And then just to come back and see it all again, just hit the select all button and you'll see all of your 10 rankings. So hopefully this makes things easier for you, not worse. And again, if there's anything else, I think we've tried to include pretty much everything that was in the original, but just switching it from drop-down menus instead of multiple different tabs. Happy Excel spreadsheeting. Yes, I just used spreadsheet as a verb. All right, thanks everyone and have a great day.